guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, hello, I am Taylor, and this video is going to be a drugstore everyday, no flashback makeup, because flashback is not invited to this party over here. I mean, I don't know what y'all be doing in y'all hood and y'all neck of the woods, but over here, flashback, do not pass go, do not collect $200, do not step foot. Hate from the outside of the club because you ain't getting in. Okay, so yeah, if you want to figure out how I achieved this look, go ahead, stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all about 3 seconds to like the video, to comment and subscribe. But I mean, liking and commenting will come after, I guess. But go ahead and subscribe. It takes like 0.5 seconds. It's just a click of a button or a tap of a finger, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good. I even like my hair. I did it myself because, you know, I ain't got time to be out here paying these girls $100 to be sitting up in the house. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit. To prep my face today, this product, it's pretty reasonable to me, in my opinion, and I think a lot of people use it as well. So I'm using this Badescu Skin Lavender Spray. And I'm just going to spray my whole face. And I do this because I kind of like my face having a little bit of moisture, because I think it makes my foundation stick better. And then I'm going to take some moisturizer. I do use Cetaphil. It does work for me very, very well for my dry skin. And I'm really going to focus it on the areas that tend to get more textured and more dry, which is like this area right here. And underneath my eyes, that kind of helps too. So I do this before I put my primer on. And this also kind of helps with the dewiness of your foundation or your makeup if you do like dewy makeup, because I really hate like super matte. I don't know, it's just personal preference of mine. I don't like matte looking makeup, so this is what I do. Now I'm going to take my E.L.F. Hydrating Primer because I do have dry skin. And I'm really going to put it on the areas that I know tend to expose my pores a little bit more than others. So that is right here, like where I really focus my moisturizer. Underneath my eyes, I'm gonna add some, and on my nose. Like I said, my skin is pretty dry, so I don't like using too much at all. I really like this stuff. It's so like soft, and oh, it's so soft. This stuff is so soft and so easy to spread, and a little bit goes a long way. I really used one pump and like my whole face is primed. Okay, so on to foundation. I have been using the black Opal for quite some time now, and I kind of live by it. So I'm using today the black Opal True Color, and this is a cream foundation. It says powder, but it's really cream. And this is the shade Truly Topaz, or number 340. And I don't know, cream foundation has really been doing it for me lately. I'm going to use this brush to spread it on, and it's like the perfect shade for me. Like, I don't have to question my life, like, using the shade. So right now, I'm really not putting this foundation on in any type of pattern, because after, I'm just going to go blend it out with my beauty sponge. So if I look cray-cray, don't judge me, because it'll be fixed. And since we put moisturizer and stuff on, our foundation just glides on so much more easy. Like butter. And it's so soft. So like I said, I don't really put my foundation on in any type of way, because I go back and I blend it out. So I'm gonna blend it out with this beauty sponge that I got from More Brushes. And this sponge works amazing. And it's like $7. So for concealer, I did buy Makeup Revolution concealer. This is going to be my first time using it, and I really hope that I didn't buy this too light for me, because then that's just going to be a problem. But I did pick up the shade C12. If I don't like it, then I'm going to mix in another product that I normally use for my concealer. But I really did want to try this because I have seen a lot of good reviews on it. So I was like, why not? It's in stock. So let me do it. So we're gonna try this bad boy out. I really think, oh, it might not be too late for me. Oh no, it's not. It's just the perfect shade. Oh, this stuff is so creamy. I like this. It's so creamy. It goes on so smooth. Like, this application one is everything. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, this might be like a new favorite. We'll see how it wears. But, oh man, this stuff is gold right now. Oh my god. I'm really shocked that this went on so well. Okay, Makeup Revolution. I see y'all. I see y'all trying to do a little bit of something, because I like this a lot. So we're going to see how well this blends out. Oh, wow. Do y'all see that? You can't. You can't, because it blended so perfectly into my skin. Oh, my God. I'm shook. I'm literally so shook. This stuff is so bomb. Okay. First impression, I love it. Absolutely, positively. Positively. I just made that up. Oh my god, but I love this. What? Okay. Okay. Wow. This stuff is freaking amazing. Y'all don't see this though. Really though, it's all in the application. It's all in the blend. And it's all in the tools that you use. But wow, I'm legit shook right now. Because this, oh my god. Like, can we just take a moment of silence, please? And we're back. This looks so freaking good. I really cannot. I really can't. Alright. We're gonna be old fashioned and we're gonna use the Benai Banana Luxury Powder. I'm trying to stay drugstore for y'all because I really have a yellow powder that works so amazing. But I'm staying reasonable for y'all boys today. So we're going to use the banana powder in yellow. With this, we're just going to set the places that we concealed. And for me, I don't like oversetting, and I don't like the makeup to sit. And that whole baking process, I really don't like that either, because I feel like sometimes that's where flashback comes in. Because people really be like, sitting here baking at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and honey, it don't work like that. So we're just gonna slightly press this into our skin and then dust it off. So I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and dust this off like so. I'm gonna take my Iman Cosmetics pressed powder. This is the color Clay Medium. It's kind of my highlight shade, like the concealer that I used, that shade. I'll press this into my skin where I just set and concealed. And I feel like this step is very important and some people tend to miss it. But I think this step is very, very important for not wanting to have that flashback, because granted, we have set and it's lighter than your skin, it's still gonna bring everything together. It's gonna bring everything right where it needs to be, and that's together. Now I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with that same powder. So now for contouring, I think I'm gonna do powder contour today because it's getting kind of hot outside and I don't want to be melting, and I kind of want it to be like lightweight. So I'm using another Iman Cosmetics, and this is the color Earth Medium. I'm gonna mix it with one because I don't really think it's dark enough for me, but it gives me just a little bit of color that I need for now. Once I bronze a little bit with the Iman Cosmetics, now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I bet you could tell which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go in with this one right there, and then I'm gonna do some more contouring. I like to do my jawline too because it warms it up and it kind of doesn't make it so like white. I'm going to use that same Black Radiance contour color shade for my nose. So my camera took us a little break, a little hiatus, because we wanted to overheat. So I just went ahead and did my brows off camera because I would be cheating if I told y'all that I use drugstore for my brows, because I really don't. So, I mean, it kind of worked in a good favor. So let's go ahead and continue. Since this is going to be an everyday look, I'm really not going to do eyeshadow. I'm going to take my E.L.F. blush kit, and I'm going to use this color right here as my eyeshadow. So I just putting this in the crease. And that's really all I'm going to do, just to give it a little bit of definition. So I'm really like debating right now if I want to do a wing liner or not. I don't know. I don't think I am. I think I'm just going to leave it like this and put some mascara on. Mascara that I'm using is L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. This stuff right here, I tell y'all, is the truth. This stuff is the truth. Like, your lashes be like none to full. None to full. Okay? Take that same E.L.F. blush palette in the same shade that we used for our eyelid. This one right here. And we're going to use that for our blush on our face. Now for highlighter. Here we go mix a couple because that's the kind of mood I'm in right now. We're going to start with the Makeup Revolution Bronzed. This is a Vivid Baked Bronzer. Vivid Baked Bronzer. It's not even like a highlighter for real. But we're going to use it as one. I don't want so much. So we're just going to pop that here. Look how pretty that is. It's like rose gold. Now I'm going to take Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. And I'm going to sit that right on top. I'm kind of just going to tap this in so it's not like too much. But we have a bold highlight at this point. And I'm going to put some on my nose. And here. And then I'm going to take my finger and put a little bit on my brow bone. Okay, for lips, we're going to take my favorite lip gloss ever. This is by NYX and it is in the shade Tiramisu. And it's like a pinky shade. And it smells like coconuts. See how glossy that is? My lips are bobbing. Y'all can't tell me they not. Let me put some mascara on these bottom lashes. And here you are. I don't really use setting sprays. I don't know why, I just don't. My makeup normally stays pretty put. I actually decided to put some lashes on to like kind of bring all of this together. And I think I've made a pretty good decision. So let's do a flash test. Let's get this phone right quick. And my friends, flashback, didn't come to the party today. They ain't ever gonna come. They ain't ever gonna come. So this is my natural everyday. I won't say it's a go-to look, but it definitely could be if you decide that you're feeling kind of cute and whatnot. And yeah.